Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's solve question number 12 of exercise 7A intermediate level mathematics grade 6. Given that AOB, the line in red, and COD, the line in green, are straight lines, we have to find the value of the unknowns. What are the unknowns? This A in 7A degrees and this B in 2B degree plus 13 degree, which is actually the angle of AOD. We have to find these values. So, well, let's start solving them. And we know that since AOB is a straight line, this means this angle, the angle that is represented by the blue arrow, is equal to 180 degree. And we know that COB is 103. So what would this angle be? Or AOC would actually be 180 degree minus 103. So solving this, we get that AOC is actually 77 degrees. Moreover, we also know that vertically opposite angles are equal. This means that if there are two lines which are intersecting, these two angles, the ones shown in oranges, these are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, the top red and the bottom red angle are also opposite. This means that whenever two lines intersect, they form two pairs of vertically opposite angles, and these angles are always equal. This means AOD would always be equal to COB and AOC would always be equal to DOB. So let's see. So these are the vertically opposite angles, and these two are the vertically opposite angles. So coming back to the question, so we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. This means that AOC, which is 77 degrees, should be equal to DOB, which is 7A. This means that AOC is equal to B is equal to 77 degree, which means 7A is equal to 77 degree, or A is equal to 11. Similarly, we also know that AOD and COB are also vertically opposite angles, and therefore they are supposed to be equal as well. So this means 2B plus 13 degrees should be equal to 103. And once we solve this equation, we find that 2B is equal to 90 degree and B is equal to 45 degree, and that is your answer.